Welcome to this video. Today we're gonna start talking about the concept of sequences. Okay, the best way to deal with that is to start with a concrete example. Okay, let's assume that we have a square. Let me just draw a square. Okay, piece of land. Okay, assume that this is a piece of land that has area a square. Okay, area a square. Assume that we want to split this one over and over again. Okay, so in the beginning, okay, we have a square. If we split it over for two people, we get a squared over 2. So we have this size. I need a different colors to make it clear. Okay. If we split it for 3 people, we get a squared over 3. So we get this amount. So this is a squared. This is a squared over 3. Okay. If we split it for 4 people, we get this one, a squared over 4. Okay. So we get a squared over 4, a squared over 5 for 5 people, a squared over 6. Okay, we're gonna get, let's do it here. Okay. So we here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make it square. So we get this size. Okay. This is a squared over 6. Okay. So if we keep doing it, let's say we get a squared over 7. So we're gonna get maybe this size, okay? This quantity. So this is a squared over 7, and etc. A squared over 8, and we keep splitting this piece of land. Okay. What we notice is that as we keep splitting this land, the quantity a squared over n, when we split it for n people, it's gonna be small. Okay, as n keeps increasing, the quantity is gonna get smaller and smaller to almost become like 0. Okay, in this case, we say that we approach 0 as n gets bigger and bigger. Okay, and in this case we define the concept of the limit of a sequence. So what's a sequence? So a sequence is a function. Okay, so it's a function that assign to any n or part of n, the set of natural number, a number in n or R in general, such that this set here is the domain. Okay, so for instance, let's do it here. So for n, let's go back here. So for n, it does associate f of n. So here for 1, we associate the area of the square. For 2, we associate the area divided by 2. For 3, we associate the area divided by 3. For 8, we associate the area divided by 8. Okay? So this sequence of numbers is a sequence. So we are interested in the image, okay? The image of this sequence, of this function. Okay? But there is another notation that we do is, so instead of writing f of n, we just write u sub n to mean that that's the image of n. So for instance, we can write here, instead of f of 1, we write u sub 1, u sub 2, u sub 3, u sub 4, u sub 8, and etc. Okay, and in general, we found that the general formula for this case is un is a squared over n. Okay, so think of this as f of n is a squared over n. Okay, this is one example. We will deal with one more in the next video.